Hello, welcome to another lesson on complete soccer league management system. In this lesson, I will be implementing infrastructure and API layer for match status entity. So I'm going to create a new branch. I'm going to call it infra and API for match status. So now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to implement iMatch status repository that we created earlier in the last lesson. So I'll go to the infrastructure project. I'll right click on repositories folder, add class. So the name of this class is going to be match status repository. Now this is going to be my implementation for match status repository. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to update this static class called infrastructure service registration. I'm going to update it. This is the class. So look at the line I'm putting emphasis on. We've just registered the dependency for iMatch status repository. Inside this class called add infrastructure services. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the web API project. I'm going to right click on controllers, I'm going to add controller. The controller I'm going to add is API controller empty. Then I'm going to click add. And the name of this controller is going to be match statuses controller. And I click add. This is going to be my implementation for match statuses controller. So with that, we have come to the end of the lesson. Thank you for watching.